Well, hello and welcome to a very special episode of Kaiju Kids. Today, we're gonna play with Windup toys. In this corner, weighing half a pound, in the red trousers, we have the red trousered boxer. And in this corner, with the blue trousers and the blue gloves, coming in at, a few ounces. He's not that heavy. We've got the blue trouser boxer. All right, guys, let's make this fight clean. Ready, set, go! Oh no, the red boxer's already out, but he's back. There they go at it. Oh, and the blue boxer's winning! The blue boxer's winning! And they're both out of the ring! Oh no, it's a tie! And next up, we have a sumo ring. So let's go ahead and open it up. We put that right there. And these snap together. And we just slide it right there. And then we have our sumo wrestlers. We have the sumo wrestler with the blue outfit and the sumo wrestler with the black outfit. So let's go ahead. All right, ready, set, let's see who's gonna win. Who do you think's gonna win? Oh. The black sumo wrestler wins! He pushed the blue one out of the ring! Yay! Alright, up next we have a lumberjack robot. He's an orange robot with a saw for cutting down trees and then a claw for picking up the logs. Let's wind him up and see what he does. There he goes, he just walks around looking for more trees to cut. Wow, that's really cool looking. Alright, next we have a camera. It's got a cute little face in the front. He walks around. Let's check him out. Come on, little guy. There you go. He looks around as he walks. Oh no, fell over. Alright, let's check out another one. Next up, we have a caterpillar. Look at him go. Got a little face here, he's got a bunch of little legs, and he just crawls along. What a neat little guy. Alright. Up next, here comes a little crab. Hey, Mr. Crab, you look so happy. He's just walking along with his little pincher. He's such a happy looking little guy. Hi, Mr. Crab. Alright, let's check out another one. Oh, it's Blue from Foster's House of Imaginary Friends. Hey, Blue. He's just running around everywhere. And he comes apart. Look at that. Look how short he is now. It's like he's in a little hole. But his bottom keeps going. Look at that. Alright. Next up, we have an octopus. This one's called Cute Octopus. So we set it right there. And that one's legs just spin around. Wow, that one's pretty cool too. And we've got another animal here. From Toy Story! And if you hold his back, he stretches out. He's a little Dachshund spring dog. Wow, he's really cool too. Next up, we have General Grievous from Star Wars. He's fighting with his lightsabers, but he better watch out, because here comes the Hulk. Look at the Hulk just go. Oh, he's dancing! Hulk smash and hug and everything. Arr! Let's see what Hulk does against our sumo wrestler. Let's see who can push who. Oh, I think the Hulk wins. No one can stop the Hulk. Ah! Oh no, you better run away. He's gonna get you. Alright, let's check out some more. We've got another motorized toy here. This is from Mario Brothers, and it's a solar mushroom. So you've got the 1-up block for Mario and the little 1-up mushroom, and the solar light hits that and it makes the mushroom dance. You ever hear of which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, let's find out. We have this special set of a chicken and egg racers. He's got a little sweatband on his head and he's got his running shoes on. It's got a cute little box and it talks about the story of the chicken and the egg. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Let's get a look at him. There's the chicken. There's the egg. Egg's got a little frangel symbol on him because if he hits something, he's gonna crack. There's the chicken. Got a little sweatband on. They look like they're ready to go. Which one do you think is gonna win? I think the egg is gonna win. I think the egg's gonna win because he's not gonna fall over. I bet the chicken will fall over. All right. So we've got him here at the starting line. Ready, set, go! Oh, it looks like the chicken's going faster, but the chicken's going the wrong way. Who's gonna get to the finish first? Who's gonna get to the finish first? It looks like it's almost a tie. Oh, the chicken stopped, but the egg's still going. Oh, the egg crossed the line! And the egg wins! Yay! Next up are these little monkeys from Singapore, the Esau. And you've got a boy one and a girl one. And when we snap them together, let's see what happens. Alright, that was cute. Those are really good dancing monkeys. Alright, let's go ahead and open up another toy. Next up is a little character from the Kaguri Remix series. And what these are a Japanese toy that have little bottle caps that you can place on your soda bottle. That way you have a little dancing character. So let's go ahead and open them up. See what's on the side. We've got this guy here, number 6. There's a penguin. There's a pink penguin, a yellow penguin, a green penguin, and a blue penguin, and a red penguin. But we got the little skull guy. Inside, you've got the directions. A little card. And then let's go ahead and put them together and see what he does. So, this is the part that you put on when you want to put on your soda. It's hollow in there, so you put it on the soda bottle, and you put him on top, and then he's ready to go. We've got our little guy here. Oh, he dances. Go ahead and put his arms down, because he's a musician. We've got little skull maracas. It's almost like a little Day of the Dead guy. And then he's got his little hat. So then we put the hat on. And then we put the maracas on. Oops. So we got one maraca. Alright, now cue the music. He's shaking those little maracas. Now let's take out those maracas and he's just going to do a little dance. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's open up some more toys. Next up, we've got Wal-E. And this Wal-E is really special. Because this Wal-E is alive! Hi, Wal-E. Everybody tell Wal-E hi. Alright, let's see what other modes he's got. All right. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's open up a couple more toys. Bye-bye, Wal-E. Next up, we're going to open up some Beast Saga toys. These are cool little toys from Japan. We've got little animal soldiers, and these boxes turn into something very special. All right. All right, so there's a box. It's got a rubber band on it. Okay. And then we've got our little Beast Saga soldiers. See, this one, I think this one's a fish. He's got a fish head. This one's an elephant. They're really tiny. And this one is, he's a hamster. So we've got those. And let's go ahead and open these up. So I've got this block here, and this block here, and this guy's a little deer. This guy looks like a pig. He's like a warthog. And then here, this guy's a bear, I think. Grrr. All right. And then the way these work are, you push the button and they become a vehicle. So this is like a bulldozer vehicle. It's got little pinchers to pick up stuff, and they can ride inside. Check that out. And then this one is a base, and it's got a little car. You got a little jail over here. And then a battle room for talking about stuff. Wow, look at all the really neat things we got to play with today. We had Wal-E, we had all these wind-up and dancing toys, we had these Beast Sagas, crab, caterpillar, octopus, dog, chicken, monkeys, all kinds of wild, crazy animals. Well, make sure you like and subscribe and keep watching. We'll be trying out more toys and more surprise videos. So stay tuned and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Wind-up toy dance party.
Well, make sure you subscribe and click the monster to watch more videos. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.